Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. May 31, 2025, Saturday Racing. Ngayong araw ng Sabado, meron tayong 7 karera. Lahat ng 7 karera to be run in 1,400 meter distance. Starting time ng karera ngayong araw ng Sabado, 4 p.m. alas 4 ng hapon. Patuloy ang Summer Racing Festival. No bearing races, no effect. Umpisahan po natin ang ating mga cool choices. Race 1, umpisa ng winner take all, covers races 1 to 7. Isa itong 3-year-old maiden race, non-placers. First and only choice, number 2, Golden Diet. Race 2, start ng pick 6, cover races 2 to 7. Ang ating pong dalawang cool choices, parehong puting kabayo. First choice, number 4, Queen Ella. Second choice, number 7, What's Bell. Ako tayo ngayon sa race number 3. Ito naman ay pick 5, covers races 3 to 7. Mga imported horses. May isa o dalawa na local na kasali. Full gate ito, although walang number 5, walang number 11 at 12 dahil may 3 coupled entries. First and only choice, number 1, Dissolved. Pa-improve ang bute. Race 4, pick 4, covers races 4 to 7. First choice, number 7, Bid for Fame. Second choice, number 2, Modern Legacy. Third choice, number 5, Wild is the Win. Tayo sa race 5. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 1, Color Blast. Second choice, coupled entry 2, Don Damiano. 2A, Space Jam. Race 6, penultimate race, race na may Pentapecta. Ang ating pong first choice, number 7, Top Cruiser. Second choice, number 5, Domsat 7. Third choice, number 12, Melania. Race 7, race na may Super 6, Paratingan. Ating pong cool first choice, number 3, Diamond Heart. Second choice, number 1, Shanghai Silk. Ang ating pong third choice, number 4, Trump Peter. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana sumama tayo. Thank you!